Okay, so now we're going to do the second part of the Excel question. So this part is usually at the end, you're supposed to set up this chart. This is called a combination chart. So what you need to do is you need to find out what are the columns for the table that you need to select. So usually the columns were in the part B. Just now we did the part A, right? So now part B is this one. So this, you're going to find out which column of the chart you're going to use. Okay, so we have number of book prices, number of additional awards, total book price amount, and the set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. So what you do is you highlight this whole table here, like this. Okay, and you go to insert, chart, take the stack column, the first one, and you see the 0 to 60 is on the left side in our chart, right? But in theirs is on the right side, so we need to do something. So we click on this, and you do a right click, you change it to change series chart type. Okay, and you're gonna put this 0 60,000, the green one, right? The green one on the right side. The right side is called the secondary axis. So you click on this one. So you see now 0 to 60,000 is here. Okay, and there are 0 60,000, 0 to 60, and this one is a line chart, right? So the green one, you need to change it to the line. Okay, so now can you, so this is the one that we want. So you compare this chart and the one that they asked us to do. Is there any difference? Okay, so at 0 to 60,000, 0 to 60,000, and set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. This one, we have two lines because our chart is too small, so later when you make the chart bigger, it's okay. And this one 0 to 60, so only thing is nothing else to be done. Okay, never even change the chart title. So how to change the chart title? I'll show you. Okay, so we change the chart title. Google one for awards. Okay, Google one for awards. Then if I want to put the set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, it's called the, you go to chart tools, design, then you go add chart element, axis title, primary, horizontal. So this is the title. And put this one is the level, then the number of book price is this one, right? So add some more, add chart element, axis title, on the right side, right? Primary vertical. So this one is number of additional awards. Alright. Okay, so this one the last this side, this side. Where's our chart? Where's our chart? Chart gone. So our chart is here. Our chart next to the table. Easier to see. Right, so on the right side one is the total price amount. So we select the chart, the design, axis title, secondary vertical. Right, so this one. So there's the price. Okay, so this is how you add the chart. Okay, so you see if I drag it bigger, how do you change all these colors here? Okay, so what you do, select this, right click, format data series. Okay, then after that you go to the pane here, under the fill. Under the fill you have the pattern fill. Right, then you can choose the pattern that looks like this. Right, pattern that look like this one. Okay, and then the pattern that look like the top, the red one. Pattern that look like the top, slant the other way. Pattern that look like the top. pattern fill. You can change all this. You can change the color. So we change it to, let's say, orange. Not solid fill, patterns fill. Okay, then you can change all this. Okay. Oh, that is gray, so we just change to gray. Change it to the gray. The color is here. Change it to the gray color. Okay, then done. You just compare your chart with the one that you have. It's gray lah. Okay, don't have the dot, and you can remove all the dots of this. So chart is quite straightforward. You just need to use the table from the part B. Okay, to get 6 marks here. Straightforward.